Alright, so here's a new premium set I bought from my friend. Here are the cars. The Fleet Street, the 91 Nissan Sentra SER, Honda Civic EG, 95 Toyota Celica GT4. So I already opened this, and you can see I already took out the 91 Sentra, but here's how the set looks like. The box, Hot Wheels Premium. These are pretty hard to find, but I bought it from my friend. He had 2 sets already. Here's how the back looks like. Alright, so here's you can see the decal of the artwork. See the city, the buildings, the clouds. Very pretty artwork, I would say. So here's the cars. Let's go first with the Sentra. So here is let me zoom out all the way. So here's the back of the 91. See the details, the license plate number. You can see it says AD van caching. Here's how the side looks like. Those wheels says Hot Wheels at the end. There's the front. Here's how the top looks like. So here's the car. Pretty good, huh? Alright, so now I'm gonna pause the video so I can open up everything. Alright, be right back. Alright, I'm back. So I already got them all loose. So let's start with this one, with the 95 Toyota Celica. I have the yellow version of this. It's just in my room. So here's how the back looks like. Looks really nice. See the details, the license plate, the back lights, or I would say rear lights. Here's how the side looks like. Here's the front. There's the grille, the headlights. Here's the top, Toyota. There's the side, the top of the car. Here's the bottom. Almost dropped it. 95 Toyota. 21. Alright, so now let's do the Honda Civic. So here's the side. It's yellow. I think they released multiple versions of this a while back of the same color in this Honda Civic. I think one was for Fast and Furious, the other one was something else, if I can remember. There's the black hood, the headlights. You can see the interior. There you go. You can see the dashboard. As you guys can see, it's pretty good. Sorry. Oh, there we go. I thought that was a paint chip. There is a paint chip somewhere here. There we go. Small little paint chip. Sad, but it's fine. So here's the new one, the new tow truck. Which finally, they have a new tow truck. Been getting tired of the same tow trucks every time they release a new set. There's the 3 seats, steering wheel. There's the tires. Here's the bottom of the truck. So it goes like, let me see, it goes like that. And you can just put like a car if you want, any car. Just like that. See? I wish they had the same color as this one, or like as one of these cars, except for a different color. But this looks really good. I have several other cars that has the same color, or white or something that I can probably match with. And then that's it. That's the whole set for you guys. Bye.